Here I've got Apple iPhone SE, and let me show you how to change email signature on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Mail right here, and now scroll down to the very bottom of the list where under Composing you will find Signature. Just click here, and if you would like to delete the default Apple iPhone signature which is sent from my iPhone, smoothly click and delete it, and then enter a new one. So looking forward, and then go back, and as you can see it's changed. So that's actually all. So you can smoothly and easily change email signature in your device, and from now on this brand new one that you just entered would be at the end of the message, at the end of your email. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.